My name is Gregory Referrals. I'm from Glenside, Pennsylvania.
My name is Jarrett Skiba and I'm from Hanoverton, Ohio.
Hi, my name is Ramon Vasquez. I'm from New Jersey.
My name is Leonardo Bambina from Middletown, New Jersey.
Layman Carter III from Columbus, Ohio.
My name is Kyle Ray. I'm from Forestville, Maryland.
My name is Samuel Zavala and I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
My name is Tyrone Bradley and I'm from Glen Oden, Pennsylvania.
Yes, my name is Brandon Bradley and I'm from Chester, PA.
Catherine Fernandez from Clifton, New Jersey.
I'm Johar Umar from Louisville, Kentucky.
I'm Christopher Chilton from Galena, Ohio.
I'm Jaden Kent from Raleigh, North Carolina.
I wanted more knowledge. I look at detailing as an art, so just wanted to further my education and, get certified and, ready to hit the road running.
I just launched my own and first business, and I really wanted to further my education and knowledge on both business and hands-on, and it's been great.
I would like to expand my business. I'm an automotive technician. I want to further my service into cleaning cars and maintaining vehicle inside and outside.
Detailing cars has always been something I love to do, and this just gave me a reason to take it a step further and make it into a business instead of just detailing friends' cars and doing something I love.
To further my knowledge on the business side and to also learn more with hands-on.
I wanted to learn more about the business aspect of running my mobile detail unit and my shop.
Because I'm looking to open up my own business in Boston, and I thought it was good to have a certification that I know what I'm doing.
I decided to attend the training seminar because I want to open up my own business and I wanted to get professionally trained.
In the near future, I plan on starting a mobile detailing business.
My plan and goal is to open my own business, a detail shop, and a mobile unit as well.
I'm trying to open my business and I wanted to start in an official way. I want to learn steps in an academic way, so I enjoyed it.
I wanted to learn about the business aspects, and for the information and tools that I already use, I wanted to know how to use them properly.
Just trying to learn more about the business. We're getting a few employees now, so trying to learn how to train them, and hopefully they all come to train with you guys.
I love the business class Friday. The class was very informative. I got a lot of different information, and I just can't wait to get back and keep going.
The business class was phenomenal. It was very, very, very informative, explained very well, and there was a lot of passion behind the teaching, and had an answer for every question and learned a lot. Can't wait to use it.
Definitely it's going to improve my business and growth. What I noticed was that I'm not charging enough for the work that I'm doing, and it's an eye-opening coming here.
Business class was great. I actually own a business already, and what you taught on Friday is actually giving me ideas for my other business, as well as building up a detail business. So it was great. I learned things that I didn't even know.
I felt like it taught me everything I needed to know. Very, very informative, and definitely gonna help me run my business.
The business class helped me out a lot. Got to learn pricing, which was my main thing. I was selling myself short. The hands-on training, I got to use products that I've seen but never got to physically hold before.
But yes, I think it's going to help me a lot because I could get more knowledge on what I'm doing and about the pricing and how to interact with my customers.
The business class was very informative, and Nick took the opportunity to explain all of the terms and all of the business aspects of the auto detailing industry.
Yes, I enjoyed the business portion of the seminar. It showed me different avenues advertisement-wise. It was very informative.
Absolutely. I gained a lot of knowledge in the business aspect, learning how much is needed to put into this type of business, how much time, how to execute this business, and just knowing how to properly charge people. So it was very, very, very useful.
Sure, it gives me many ideas I wasn't aware about. It's opened my eyes on how business work, how you deal with customers, how you deal with credit, banks.
It helped out a lot, the information that was provided just in general, but some of the things that I didn't know about as far as marketing, how to promote my business, how to gain sales, things of that was very helpful.
Yeah, for sure. We learned a lot from pricing to upsells and everything. We covered everything.
The hands-on detailing classes were great. You know, the instructors let us, you know, get in there and really work. It was a lot of stuff I didn't know. A lot of stuff that was really new to me, and it was good.
The hands-on's definitely first class. It's very, I mean, they let you just get in there and do it, and they have an answer for every single question. And I learned a lot of new tips and tricks. Can't wait to try the products, and it's going to help further me to be more efficient.
The hands-on is worth the money. It's worth coming out here, not only for the hands-on, but for all the benefit that you're gonna get out of it. They're very thorough. There's no stupid question here. Bring all the question you want, and they will answer it.
Oh, they were great, because I did most of it, but now I know the proper technique and, you know, how to do it quickly, efficiently, and make cars look great.
It literally flipped everything I thought I knew upside down. I felt like I've learned more in these past couple of days or a few days that I have known my entire life. So definitely taking back some tips and tricks to be more efficient and to make my customers happy.
Hands-on classes were great. We really detailed some cars, used products, machinery that I'd never used before.
It was a beautiful experience because I could see what I need to work on to have a better organization and to do a most efficient job.
I enjoyed the hands-on portion the most. I learned a lot of procedures and methods that would also help me in my auto detailing business.
I enjoyed the hands-on portion also. It allowed me to use different tools that I was curious about, and the trainers was also.
My favorite part, to be honest. I'm a hands-on learner, so I learned a lot of tricks that I never even knew existed to cut down time. So it's very, very, very useful.
They are perfect. Really, the trainer, they are best people. They will be with you. They show you every single details from A to Z. They are ready to help, to explain 2-3 times as much as you ask. They are ready to help, and I learned many things I didn't expect I'm gonna learn in that short time.
That was probably my favorite part because I like to get in and just get to work. But being able to watch the proper technique, when and why and how was extremely helpful.
That was a good training. There were several trainers. There were probably about 6 or 7 trainers, so everybody had hands-on with one-on-one. It was great.
Absolutely, 100%.
I definitely would. I was a little worried about the money, but the money was 100% worth it and further.
Without a doubt. I won't hesitate doing anything. Just calm down.
You already did.
Absolutely. I also have 2 brothers that detail, so I'll be making sure that they sign up, and I'll also be signing up for the ceramic coating class.
Definitely, I'm sending my whole crew. 2021.
Of course, that's something I'll definitely do.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Hopefully I could get my mom to do it with me on the next one.
All right, thank you.
Sure, I will refer the people who I'm hiring to work for me. I'll send them here.
100%. Whether you're experienced or just starting out on your own, I think that this program is helpful for everybody.
Oh yeah, like I said, every auto detail and C employee is going to come.